Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of Man Cake. My name is Dan, and today we're going to be making chocolate chip pumpkin cream cheese muffins. Say that 3 times fast. If you're new to the channel, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you know when brand new recipes are available, which is Friday. Now I'm pretty sure you're excited, just like I am, to get these muffins started. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And let's start baking. Now today, we're just going to go ahead and use a regular standard mixing bowl and a whisk. They're going to be our 2 new best friends in the kitchen, at least for today. In your bowl, add 8 ounces of pumpkin, a half cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, a half cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, and half a cup of mini chocolate chips. Now with those ingredients in the bowl, we can go ahead and start mixing them all up together until they're well combined. Now with those mixed, we can go ahead and start adding in the second wave of our main ingredient. We're going to add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Just whisk those ingredients until just combined. And there's our pumpkin chocolate chip batter. It smells so yummy. But we're not done yet. So let's go ahead and move this guy aside. Now for the second portion of the muffin batter, what we're going to do is we're going to take a bowl. Now I've already dropped the ingredients in here. I got a little too excited. But all you're going to take is just 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tablespoon of milk. Super easy. With our ingredients in our bowl, we can go ahead and just start mixing them up with a hand mixer. I'm going to use about number 2, maybe 3 settings. So let's go ahead and whisk these up. Okay, so with our cream cheese done and our muffin batter done, we're going to go ahead and combine them together before we start baking. So I'm just going to use a regular spoon, and then we're just going to drop it in. And because I'm really impatient and kind of want a muffin right now, we're going to go ahead and just pour the cream cheese into our muffin batter. And let's go ahead and give those a good tiny mix around. What we're looking for is kind of like a nice little marble effect with the pumpkin batter and the cream cheese. Now we can go ahead and start scooping our batter into our muffin pan. I'm just going to make 6 muffins. Let's go ahead and get a nice big scoop. And we're just going to load these bad boys up. Now for one final touch, I like to add a nice good sprinkle of chocolate chips on top of the muffins. This way the chocolate gets nice and gooey while they're baking. Now, all we have to do is just bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and then we can start eating. So our muffins have baked, and it smells can't even describe how good it smells in this kitchen right now. Trust me when I say, when you guys make these, you'll want to just wrap this aroma up in a candle and just smell it up on a bad day. I don't know, it's good, it's great. So let's go ahead and get our muffins out of our pan and dive right into them. And there we have it, chocolate chip, cream cheese, pumpkin muffins. I don't even want to bite into it, it's that beautiful. But we're gonna. Absolutely delicious and wonderful. You guys need to make these, share them, make another batch. Don't share those. You're gonna love them. Put this away because I don't want to pig out on camera. Well, that's all we have for today. As always, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you know when brand new recipes are available. You should probably subscribe. I mean, these muffins are delicious. How about this? You make the muffins, taste the muffins, come back and subscribe because they're that delicious. I mean, that's a win-win for everybody. You get delicious muffins, I get you guys on our little man cake family. It's a win-win. Just subscribe. It'd be great. And as always, life is short, so lick the ball. Until next week, bye.